my name's Melissa Franklin. I'm a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine and integrative medicine. I have a small clinic here in Alpine, Wyoming. I am shooting this video regarding Tennant Products. I think the one product line that I would probably get the greatest testimonial to is I have a number of clients that come in with various digestive issues. Not able to eat foods, not knowing what to do, and my before and afters are pretty phenomenal. Microbiome support is one of the product lines that I always recommend. I had a client that came in and she called it her little tub of hallelujah. Digestive enzymes and the microbiome support and the gut health is probably some great results I've had, especially with people that have had gallbladders out, gallbladder issues. It's a great product. So I highly recommend Tenant Products, most because of the sourcing. I really know that Dr. Tennant sources the product very well, and I feel very confident in prescribing the products to my clients. I trust Dr. Tennant's products for two primary reasons. One, because of how he sources the product, and also the second piece is because it looks at the body holistically. So I do use Dr. Tennant's products. I use the Cellular Restore protocol. My biggest benefit is I feel a lot less inflammation, let's say that way, and I feel like less fatigue. Overall, especially with my long, busy days, I'm not second guessing whether or not I have the nutrients that I need. I know I'm getting it every day in the shakes. One of my clients is my sister, and she lives in Nashville and had been going to a really great functional medicine doctor and was getting blood work every 30 days, and they were evaluating the blood work, analyzing the blood work, and she just didn't feel like she was getting the results. So we actually put her on a full cellular restore along with the raws and increased the iodine that she was taking. And within 60 days, when she got her next round of blood work from the integrative doctor, he was blown away by the result. And it was because of the cellular restore. I think I knew Dr. Tennant's products were right for me when I went to his two IHCs. So I went to one in person and then I did the master class. And so many people that attended those had their own stories, their own health journeys. And after listening to many of the clients, I think that's when I knew it was the right product line. Well, I fell in love with the products because so much of what makes up the products are herbs, traditional Chinese medicine, which I believe in. And I think that's one of the things that drew me to the products. My experience of working with Tenant Products is they get back to you very quickly. Even when there's a mistake or something that's gone wrong, I think customer service is a priority to them. And Shelley Pruden is by far my most favorite contact at Tenant. She's always available. I think the best recommendation that I have with Tenant Products, and I will go back to the Cellular Restore. Friends, family, they're always like, well, is it a B vitamin? Is it amino acid? Is it vitamin A? Should I take CoQ10? Should I take this? And that's why I love the Cellular Restore. I say, if you're taking all these things, that's great. But what if you could get them all in one shake? Plus, you could get a lot of the other elements that your body needs without having to take all these additional supplements. So that's probably the best recommendation.